Hey guys, welcome to Homemade with Ron. What are we doing today? We're making pickles. And this video is sponsored by Great Bless Trading Company. Keep doing. I got my little helper today. Jenny, what are we making?
Golden glow pickles.
Yeah, so these are some of the cucumbers from the garden. We've got so many we don't know what to do with, so we're going to make this relish. This is just the first step. We'll get the next step. We'll walk you guys through. And of course, we got Lucy here all the time. So today's sponsor is the Go Water. It's a water ripple lamp. They sent to this. Give us a little try. It's got an easy to use remote here. These are the intensities of the light. Got on off. You got all the many different colors you could choose. 16 different colors, I believe, and then it's got all the different intensities. You can do the waterfall, and it's very easy to use. I'll give you a little demo. Also comes with this easy to read instruction book. Everything you need to know is in here, how to use it, and also has the finger touch mode here. You can turn it on and switch through the different colors. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. So this is the day, but I have a night view too, so you turn it on. Comes with this easy remote. Got all the different colors, whatever. You can't see it. It goes up on the screen, up on the wall. Got the flash mode. Right, a lot of different colors. Got your reds, your greens, your blues. It's good at night. You're sitting with your wife, you want to relax, just watch a little light show at night. This is the product for you. I'll have the link in the description. So like this, they're just covered. These are good pickle ones. These are picklers. But we got some more stuff for the pickles. We got some peppers. Just got these out of the garden. Onions. Those are yellow, I believe. And these are white. So this is all going to be processed up for the... Guys, you can see this is like quite a bit. This is a huge, huge pot. Probably have 3 or 4 batches in here. The next part will be the canning salt. It's going to sit in it overnight. And then after that, I'll show you what we do. We're going to drain it and then add the rest. So you can see we got like cucumbers, just insane. We got too many. We got our things are full here. Like Jenny's got all these going. We got those going. I think we're going to give some away. Hey Jenny?
Good idea.
Charity, or we got a store. We got lots of other people who want some. So, and the tomatoes are just starting to come out too. We got eggs and we got tomatoes everywhere. And we got green beans. So we're bountiful, you guys. This is our pickling recipe. So we got the vinegar. It requires, for each batch, requires 3 cups of vinegar to 6 cups of sugar. That's a lot of sugar. So we tripled it because there must be at least 3 batches in here, maybe even more. And you're supposed to cook this until for about 30 minutes till the liquid turns clear. And after that, we're going to require some dry mustard. I think it's 1 tablespoon. Some turmeric. That's Jenny's crafting. And then some flour. So we're just gonna wait, bring this to a bit of a boil. Okay guys, so this is the sauce for the pickle recipe. You can take 1 cup of vinegar out of your saucepan, but we have 3, so we tripled it. And now we just pour this. all up. Get it all. We're gonna mix it all up, bring it to a boil, let it simmer for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna ball it. Put the old brand new glove on. Let's switch to the bigger bottles because I think we're gonna run out of lids. Not lids, but rings. Get your gloves in. What you doing? Putting the rings on?
Yep.
Yeah, and sealing it up.
Yep.
Twist and top. That's it.
We're gonna have
There's
back.
what we ended up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5 of these bigger ones. And then we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of those. And then we got 2, 4, 6, 8 of these small ones. This is about a cup. These are about 2 cups. And then whatever those are. So that's what we get out of the garden. We get these pickles. So yeah, stay tuned. Like and subscribe.